e-Subpoena system is a web-based information system that facilitates the issuance and expedites the transmittal of subpoena from the court to the police officers and monitors its compliances. The system was conceptualized during the initial meeting of the Justice Sector Coordinating Council, attended by the Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno, Secretary of Justice Leila de Lima, and the Secretary of the Interior and Local Government Mar Rojas. Further, this is to comply on the desire of the SILG and the Chief PNP to initially monitor the PNP's compliances on the daily voluminous delivery of subpoena. The Philippine National Police receives various types of subpoena from different courts, tribunal, administrative, and quasi-judicial bodies nationwide, which requires PNP personnel to attend and testify at the hearing or trial of a criminal case. On several occasions, these subpoenas do not reach the concerned PNP personnel on time, causing delays in court proceedings. In some instances, various courts have difficulty in monitoring the compliances and actions taken by the police personnel regarding specific instructions by the court to the detriment of the case. On the part of the PNP, it could hardly monitor the attendance of its personnel in court hearings, which will result in the delay or possible dismissal of the case. To resolve the issue identified, the PNP is adopting the following objectives for the electronic acknowledgement of subpoena. Cost-effective delivery of subpoenas to PNP units. This is expected to reduce various administrative costs and shall promote timely delivery of subpoenas, reduce the use of paper, provide immediate response, improve monitoring and control by the police on subpoenas, and give faster and better feedback for the court's appreciation for the possible rescheduling of court hearings in case of its cancellation. Provide analysis of various reports pertaining to compliances, postponement of hearings, non-attendance of court duties and other related matters pertaining to court proceedings to be attended by the PNP. And documents are stored and archived for possible retrieval for either references or information. Shown on the screen, the minimum system requirements. Since this is a joint project between the court and the DILG through PNP, both parties shall have a designated system administrator who would create system users for their respective organization. For the court, the authorized users are the court administrators and clerks of courts. On the part of the PNP, the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management shall be the principal user and its court process officers. Using the e-Subpoena system, the court shall issue a subpoena to the PNP field offices, police regional offices, police provincial offices, city police offices, municipal police stations, and also to the national support units. And the same time can be viewed at the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management dashboard. Same copy is forwarded to their registered email accounts. At the police station, the Chief of Police must ensure the compliance to subpoena, while the designated court process officer, being an authorized system user, shall acknowledge receipt of subpoena through the system and shall print and serve the subpoena to the concerned PNP personnel. In the event that the concerned PNP personnel is no longer assigned to that particular PNP field office, the designated court process officer is obliged to forward subject e-Subpoena to the PNP field office where the concerned PNP personnel is reassigned. In case that the new assignment of the concerned PNP personnel cannot be determined, the designated court process officer is directed and mandated to forward subject e-Subpoena to the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management. It will now be the responsibility of the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management to locate the unit assignment of the concerned PNP personnel. To address this issue, the Directorate for Personnel and Records Management shall be requested to provide assistance to locate the concerned PNP personnel through PAIS system. After the date of the scheduled hearing, the court will now update the system through the feedback menu provided in the e-Subpoena system. The court shall now update the subject e-Subpoena if the PNP personnel has attended, not attended the court proceedings. Aside from DIDM and police stations, police regional offices, police provincial offices, city police offices shall be given access to the e-Subpoena system for monitoring. In line with the goal of the Philippine National Police to achieve excellence in policing, a paradigm shift from traditional to a more scientific and ICT-assisted investigation of crimes and police operations shall be adopted. One of the initiatives is the implementation of the e-Subpoena system, which will redound to the ultimate goal of the PNP to provide quality service and more efficient justice system to the people and the community.